Hey guys, what's happening? How to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. So first of all, before you do anything, go to App Store, Google Play, and just type WhatsApp. Make sure you updated your WhatsApp to the latest version in order to get access to all the new features. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go rapid fire, right? I'm gonna scroll up, right? Up until you see the list right here, and then you're gonna see locked chats. You're gonna find it right away after or be below the list. So I'm gonna click the locked chats, confirm via facial recognition, and here you're gonna see all your hidden or locked chats in here. All right, so you won't be able to receive notifications if that person or if this person is a kind of person who you constantly talk with. So make sure to know exactly who you're hiding or who you're locking. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.